Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to reset your user ID or password in QuickBooks. Keeping your credentials up to date not only improves account security, but also ensures you can access your account without any issues. I'll walk you through the steps so it's quick and easy to follow. First, head over to the QuickBooks website and click on the Sign In button. Make sure you are signing in using the correct platform, then select QuickBooks Online. This will take you to the main login page designed for QuickBooks Online users. Next, enter your login credentials, your email or user ID, along with your current password, and click Continue. Once logged in, you'll be on your dashboard where you can manage all your account settings and business activities. Now, go to your profile photo in the top right corner of the screen and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Manage Your Intuit account. This is the hub for managing all your account settings, including resetting your user ID or password. QuickBooks might ask you to enter your password again to re-authenticate, which is an important security step. Once you're in the account management section, locate the Sign In and Security tab. If you want to update your user ID, select the User ID option. Enter your current user ID, then type your new one. Make sure it's secure and memorable to prevent unauthorized access. You may also want to update your password for added security. Return to the Sign In and Security page and click on Password. Enter your current password, then choose a new strong password using a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This combination helps protect your account from hacking attempts. And that's it. You've successfully reset your user ID or password in QuickBooks. Keeping your account credentials updated is an essential part of maintaining online security. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more QuickBooks tips and tutorials.